So ever been at the Arbor Press and you need three hands? One to hold the part down here because it's not flat. One to hold this up here so you can press out what you need to press out. And one to finally move the arbor up and down. That's a pain. You know, sometimes you have a flat there and it's no problem, but otherwise, what are you going to do? Well, grab yourself a rare earth magnet, stick it on the end of your part, and stick it up there. There you go. Now you have one free hand to hold the part, and because you're going straight down, there's going to be no problems with that. It's not going to slip or anything like that. So there's my my tip of the day. Hope you enjoyed it. If you're a person who's not subscribed and you like my videos, please subscribe and hit the like button and maybe make a comment. Thanks for watching.